Good morning everyone. Andito kami ngayon sa gasoline station. And it's only 8:30 AM. Maaga ako nagising. Ginising ako ni Damulag kasi kukunin na namin ngayon yung camper na nabili namin sa Saratoga. Mamaya makikita nyo na. Here.
Should be in the garage or the first.
Oh, yeah. We're back here. We're going to pick up our camper. That's our new camper.
Go all the way across.
Yeah.
This is your outside hose.
Yep.
You got that little handle right there.
Yeah, nice.
And once you get it to where you want, you can leave them. You don't have to readjust it. Put just something there. Make sure it just catches, because that's what prevents you from damaging your door.
And clean it off so you don't dump dirt in the can.
Yeah, on a rainy day, you're not gonna actually.
There you go.
There you go. Right?
Siyempre, habang nag-aantay, magkape-kape muna tayo. So, yan na yung bago nating camper. Nakauwi na siya.
She said they threw more goodies in the back.
Ito yung luma. At kukunin na yan sa Friday. Nabenta na natin. Diba? Goodbye, camper. Hello. Hello, new one. Baby. A baby one. Then yung isa dun naglilinis. Yung sa Damulag naglilinis sa taas. Be careful! Itong matandang to. Matkat na dyan sa bubungan. Say hi! Oh my God. Be careful. You're crazy. Amadi. Hold on. Sige guys. Okay guys. Hindi ko na ipa-vlog yung lakad namin doon ni Madi para sandali lang kami. Good morning guys. Ngayon na natin i-deliver ang lumang camper. Check natin bago. Check natin para makapagpaalam tayo. Hello. Are you ready to go? Bye 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 bye. Still look good. Still look good. This is still look good.
Vacuum.
Huh?
Vacuum.
See, malaki to eh. Mas malaki. Malaki, malaki. I really like the toilet of this.
Huh?
The toilet is really nice.
I clean that too.
Yeah, bye 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 camper.
Hot water. Hot water. And the heat up.
The smoke. Why the? Are you gonna give that also the TV?
Yeah. but
Yeah. Okay.
I want to do one.
What is the noise?
That's the heater.
Okay.
I'm gonna hit this nice cable. Look at
Bye
this-
camper. Huh?
look at this nice cable.
Oh. And this is the new one. It's mini, the small one. Bye camper. Ayun na, kinuha na ang ating camper. Hindi tayo pwede pumunta Ramadi, oh. May naglilinis ng kalsada. Dito lang tayo. Saan tayo? Hindi tayo pwede ron. May naglilinis ng kalsada. Galing na tayo dito. Doon, hindi tayo makadaan. Ang daming, ano, yung mga dry leaves, yung mga, ano, ito yung dahon. Ang dami, oh. Teka, close up natin. Wait, Maddie.